Yeah, good evening, second year students. So, in continuations of web development essential, website development essential, now I am going to discuss about website development process. So, you say first process means 7-8 process. In that process, the overall number of development stage usually varies from 5 to 8. In that, exactly we'll say about 8 main steps: information gathering, planning, designing, content writing, and then coding, testing, review and launch, maintenance, enhancement. This normally the website development process, not necessarily for the coding process. The technologies used HTML, CSS and JavaScript give the web we know it's safe and define the way we interact with information. Define the way we interact the information. So in this web development, the 7 stages, some timeline is fixed for the developments. When you think of building website, 2 main issues: price and timing. Last video also I said timeline increase, price also increase. So these 2 values depend largely on the size and scope of the project. Normally this website development process, you can create a web development timeline, adding tasks and establishing milestone for your projects. It is the best way to track your project implementation to make sure keep up with deadline. Once keep up with deadline, no delay happen. Timeline also perfect. Price also same. If timeline increase 3 months extra, so based on the timeline, your web development project price also will increase. Here a hint chart for the online planning, project planning. So that is the second. Information gathering, you are gathering the information from client. So the client only know what the customer expectation. Next one is planning. The Gantt chart is used for online planning, project planning. That also will tell about 3 months time frame in. So totally I said 7 to 8 stages that we'll discuss mainly. So here gathering information, so that is the main goal and purpose and target audience. So the majorly the gathering information is target audience, purpose and main goal and target audience. In this stage, discovering and researching determines how the subsequent steps will look like. The most important task at this point to get clear understanding about your future website purpose and the main goal you wish to get and the target audience. So this is the major thing in gathering the information. So this is first stage of the first stage steps, main steps. First step. Second step, planning. The stage of web development. Here now one each and one by unidirectional arrow mark. It is the steps of the website development process. Here promotion. Once collected information, promotion automatically to next planning. So the planning, the development creates the data that allow a customer to judge how the entire site will look like based on the informations that was gathered together in the previous phase. Information gathering, that is the previous phase. So that previous phase will help to improve next stages. So the sitemap also very important. Sitemap means nothing will have so it is only for home page and sub pages. So that is called the sitemap. You are before starting once collected information before starting the website. So you have to decide, plan using sitemap. So this also some stages, 2 to 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Next one is design phases. In this design phases, design the website, take some safe. All visual content such as image, photo, video is created at the step. Once again, all the information that was gathered through the first phase is crucial. Collecting information is very crucial stage. Once collected information, the customer and the target audience must be kept in mind while you work on a design. Layout. Last video also I discussed about layout. Layout is full and full designer work and graphic sketch or an actual graphic design. Primary functions of the layout is to represent the information structure, visualize the content and demonstrate the basic functionality. This normally layout, it contains of color, logo, image and can give a general understanding of the customer in future product. And the client is not sure about some aspect of your design, then you should change the layout, send it back to him. So it isn't cyclic work. So it should be repeated until the customer completely satisfied. It also 4 to 10 weeks, 12 weeks timing. The designing, if the customer don't like the design, you send it back to the developer or designer, web designer, change the content. Content rating and assembly. So content rating, that is coding, send the design, resend to the coding division and change the customer satisfaction. The content rating and compiling usually overlap with other stage of the website creations and role can be underestimated. The write very essential things like to communicate to the audience of your website. And the content rating also involved creations of catching headline, text edit, write new text and compile the existing text, and which takes time and effort to change. So in this case, the better better all the website content is provided before or during website coding. You collect all the informations before starting the web pages. And coding, create the website itself. Graphic element have been designed during the previous stage. It should be used to create actual websites, and usually the home page many sub pages are added according to the website hierarchy that was previously created in form of sitemap. The framework and CMS should be implemented to make sure that the server can handle the installation and setup smoothly. So plugin, if you want to install some banking applications, so the particular banking applications plugin is there, you have to install the plugin first. That plugin only it is useful so to start the particular web pages. Here testing and review launching. Next, sixth step, testing is probably the most routine part of the process. The every single link should be tested to make sure of no broken ones among them, and you should check every form, every script, spelling check and software to find possible types. Use code validator to check if your code follows the current web standards. Valid code is necessary. For example, the browser compatibility is crucial. Recheck your website. So it is the time to be uploaded it to server. File transfer protocol software is used for the purpose, and deployed the files you should run it. Another final test to be sure that all your file have been installed correctly. Last estimated time, this will take 2 to 4 weeks. And step 7, maintenance and opinion monitoring and regular update. So here the important reminder is that the website is more of service than a product. So it is not enough to deliver a website to user. Should make sure everything work fine, everybody satisfied, then prepare to make change in another cases. Feedback system, based on the customer will give feedback. Based on the feedback, so the designer will change the website accordingly. Highest priority task, in case fix the problem as fast as you can. If you one day, so that user prefer to another website rather than put up with the inconvenience. The CMS websites is an here example for website development process. So here the many steps already 8 steps: information gathering, goal for the websites, and define website target audience, planning, create a sitemap sketch and create wiremap mockup, select technology stack, design, create colorful page layout and review the layout and get client feedback on the layout. Content rating, collect the information, create new content and content ready for the migration. Build and deploy website. Coding, add special feature and interactivity. SEO for the websites. And testing and review, test the created websites and upload the websites to the server. Final test launch. Maintenance, add user report and then fix error ASAP. And enhancement, if you want to change the new software for the entire system, entire web page, then you will go for enhancement. So this is the thing in the oval shape, all 8 oval shapes. Analysis, it is equal to testing. You have to analyze before testing, planning. Okay, so these are the things available. Then page layout and element design restriction. May users still have 15-inch monitors. Some users set resolutions 800 by 600 and 1024 into 680 are more common. The many users still use modern connections, although modem connections, although the modem are almost likely 56 KB or faster. Nowadays 80 Mbps. The most user have 4.x. Newer version browsers should always careful about use plugins. I say CMS plugin, likewise State Bank plugins there. So some plugins such as Flash Player and MP3 Player very commonly used. Site characteristics, navigation and interactivity, and then database interaction. So these 3, it is site characteristics. The navigation we'll discuss next topic, separate topic is available, so we'll discuss separately. Database integration. Database integration means, so suppose your web page is some invoice generation, you want to store the data, the year of 1920, 2021, likewise means you have to get database space from somewhere. So 500 GB, 500 terabyte, 100 terabyte, like that, whichever. So the usage of your datas. So based on that, use that particular database and store your data. Effective web page layout. So here space, already one more video recording we discussed about that. Space, color, font, rule, list, paragraph, getline, heading level, image, logo, margin, border. These are all web page used for the web page layout. So space means separate element on the page and reduce the page element clutter. Color means conveys a visual tone or message and provide consistent look and feel, the attractiveness of the web pages. Font convey a visual tone on message, provide a consistent look and feel and enhance readability. Rule, line divides the page's content into related section. List, organize information into item, paragraph, group text character on page. Headline, sizes will increase. Create various sizes of the text. And image, visual appeal of your web page. Information and navigation, provide branding and site navigation. Logo, margin, control the proximity of the content to the browser, so they can appeal. Border, HTML is different, XML is table and frames applied to the different frames based on the versions. And navigation element control the user movement through the site. Table, format data into row and column, also used to distribute element into the position on the web page. So different layouts. It is one of the layout. Left hand button is there. It is one type of layout. You can run this layout using Google Chrome or by Firefox browser. Here another layout. of the web pages. Here buttons are bottom side. So here top and bottom, you click on the information, automatically you will get the information. Then this is always the buttons available left hand side, astronomy, different layouts. This is some white, this is about the philosophy. So it is one of the layout. It all buttons available right hand side. So you can, wherever you want, you design according to the customer. Always they will click on right hand side. In our college web pages, no, so left hand side only it is there. So as your wish, you have to click on the layouts and informations and buttons. Thank you very much. So next navigation we'll see separately in next video recording. Thank you.